The CAC/PAC JF-17 Thunder is a lightweight, single-engine, multi-role combat aircraft developed jointly by the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation, CAC, of China and the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex, PAC. It was designed to replace the aging A5C, F7P/PG, Mirage III, and Mirage V combat aircraft in the Pakistan Air Force, PAF. The JF-17 can be used for multiple roles, including interception, ground attack, anti-ship, and aerial reconnaissance. The Pakistani designation JF-17 stands for Joint Fighter 17, with the -17 denoting that, in the PAC's vision, it is the successor to the F-16. The Chinese designation FC-1 stands for Fighter China. As far as the power plant is concerned, Block 3 is powered by a Russian RD-93MA engine. It can produce a maximum thrust of 9,300 kgf, kilogram force, significantly greater than the existing RD-93 engine used on Pakistan's JF-17 fighter, which can produce a maximum thrust of 8,300 kgf. In October 2018, Pakistan approved of the sale and local Nigerian production of 3 JF-17s for $184.3 million.